Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So as NFP coming in couple of hours, we can see that gold started to move very aggressively after yesterday's drop. We can see that a bit of pullback. Currently gold started to move again in the major direction of the trend. So before we discuss how we can find our next opportunity, let's quickly look at the higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now with the monthly close previous months, we have seen that the market has formed a long week candle at the top, and this is an all-time high price. We have seen a significant rejection candle close with a narrow body with a long wick at the top. Now, for long term picture, we might see that gold is going up and filling that long wick at the top. But short term perspective, we might see that gold is breaking down. Highly likely, we could see a deeper liquidity grab from this monthly support before it bounce back up to fill that long wick at the top. Now, if we look at the weekly chart on gold, we can see that from the weekly time frame there was a weekly bearish candle with a long wick at the bottom, followed by this week we can see that there is another weekly candle that is showing also significant bearish pressure. We have seen after initial pullback in that area on gold, the market started to drop, has broken this weekly low. Currently the price again moving up to fill some of this zone and getting again rejection. So we might see that as NFP coming, and there is a pure imbalance in that zone. With the news release, we might see that gold try to break that low, grab liquidity from this monthly support, and then bouncing back towards the upside to create a new higher high. Now, if we look at the daily chart on gold, we can see that from the daily a bit more clearer picture here. After quite a few days of consolidation, yesterday we have seen the market has closed with an inside bar that is remaining in between the previous daily green candles high and low, and as a result this today we saw that the market bulls couldn't break this high, maintaining that series of lower high, which is a chance that now gold will come to fill that daily week at the bottom. Now highly likely we can expect gold to come down to fill that week, and as NFP coming, we are expecting for a deeper drop on the monthly support. What I think that the price might try to break this daily support, and then we might see at some point getting rejection for this long-term bullish momentum to the upside. So now let's look at the 1 hour chart and the lower time frame, how the price action is forming. We can see that in this lower time frame there was a bit of drop here and then pull back. The market is was moving in this range for a bit of while, but at the same time, whenever the price is going up, we can see that maintaining that series of lower high, which is a sign that the price is preparing for a potential breakdown with the NFP. Now this 1 hour candle closing with the 4 hour candle, and we see that when the market has broken this high, getting a very strong rejection. If we see that this candle closing is very important, if this 1 hour candle is closing as a red or bearish candle below this level, we might see further downside. As we can see with this double top here, there is a bit of liquidity gap here from this resistance level, and the price after that has rejected to the downside, maintaining this trend line. And what I think that the price might remain bearish for the upcoming session, and with the NFP we even could see a breakdown to this monthly support that we are expecting. So for us to enter on the 15 minutes time frame, if we look for potential entry, I would like to see that gold has grabbed that enough liquidity. Already you can see there is a long week candle, which is a pure liquidity grab, followed by it's now slowly building up the pressure. And what I think that the market may continue to drop in this time frame. So any kind of liquidity candle formation, according to the rules of our strategy, we will be looking to go short on gold with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, traders, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you. And I'll see you soon in my next analysis.